Hello friends, very good morning. We are going to discuss a question paper RPSC 2018. That question paper may be useful for your next exam that may be November 2021 and first the week of December maybe. RPSC exam has declared 2018 exam. You have already seen the result. Now you can easily find what will be your study for the next exam. Okay, now we are going to discuss that 2018 paper in three parts. In this part, question maybe 50 second, but all question will be covered in the three parts. Okay, you can uh, you can easily find other study material in our website Valika IS Academy .co.in. You can visit us in this, and that is page of Vivalka IS Academy. You can easily find here uh, hmm, how can you study, how that paper are available there, and other study material maybe you find here. Okay, now we are just coming on the paper. First question is, which of the following statement is are correct? There are two sentences. Question ask which sentence is correct. Okay. Now after the Nagpur session 2020 no, 1920, the Congress Provisional Congress Committee were constituted on the linguistic basis. Nagpur After Nagpur session, the Congress Committee were the constitution on the linguistic. Okay. Second sentence is, in 1848, Congress rejected the demand of formation of provision on linguistic basis. Okay. You only one is correct. Only two is correct. Neither nor neither two is correct. Both are correct. Okay. Four is a both are correct. Now, after Nagpur session of Congress Committee were constitution on the longest basis. Okay, that is a right answer. ये right answer है. And second, in 48 Congress rejected the demand of formation of the provisional linguistic basis. But you very well know that our first state on long Andhra Pradesh in 1953. That was the first state formation formed at the linguistic basis. The question may be asked RPSC, which state the first state on the basis of the language. That is 1953 Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Uh, in this question, both are sentence correct. Now answer will be D. Any four. Okay. Next question. 16 coins of Menander have been found from which of the following sites? 16 coins found of king of Menander have been found. The Menander coins where we found easily Virat, Nagari, and Verha and Nagar. So that location is Virat. The Menander is a Buddhist rural, and he is a follower of Buddhism. Menander. Okay. And now next three question. Question number three. Which of the following rule does not belong to the Gurjar Pratihar dynasty? Which rural is not part of the Gurjar Pratihar dynasty? Nangvat second, Mahendra Pal second, Dev Pal, and uh, Bharat Bhatta first, who is not the part of Gurjar Pratihar dynasty. Okay. Uh, Bharat Bhatta the first, that was not part of Gurjar Pratihar dynasty. You know, Gurjar Pratihar dynasty is related to 700 to 800 AD. Okay, 800 AD in North India. The contemporary other dynasty, Gurudra Pal in West Bengal, and Rashtrakud in South India. That mostly part with the cover of Maharashtra. Okay, Gurjar Pratya dynasty, and the time period was 700 to 8 or 900 AD. Okay, now their answer is a 4. Next question. In pre-medieval kingdom of Rajasthan, the designation of the uh, Nemi is used for. Ne- Nemitika is used for. In the pre-medieval period of Rajasthan, royal ward, head of the public health department, state astrologer, and the chief judicial officer. Okay, who was the Nimittika? Nimittika was the state astrologer. Astrologer. Okay, answer is the C. Four का answer is four is answer is C. Okay. Now, fifth question: the revolutionary who was convicted the Mahant Periyal murder case. Mahant Pyarelal murder case uh, is related to Joravar Singh, Swami Krishna Verma, Kesari Singh Bharat, and Vijay Singh Pathik. Which person was related to the murder of Mahant Pyarelal? Okay, Mahant Pyarelal. The person is Kesari Singh Bhagat. Answer is C. Kesari Singh Bhagat is related to uh, the death of Mahant Pyarelal. Now the D option is the Vijay Singh Pathik. Vijay Singh Pathik is known as the Mahatma Gandhi uh, Raja of Rajasthan. Vijay Singh Pathik started a movement that name was Bijolia movement. Okay, Bijolia movement was in the modern period in Rajasthan started by the Vijay Singh Pathik. Vijay Singh Pathik title is known as the local level uh, Mahatma Gandhi of Rajasthan. Okay, next question. Who among the following negotiated the subordinate alliance of 1817-18 with princely state of Rajputana? Who was a state that accept the subordinate alliance? Who uh, of Rajputana? Who who among the negotiated subordinate alliance with the Rajputana? The person, the name who negotiate with Rajputana to be part of subordinate alliance. Okay, you know who start the subordinate alliance in India? That person was Lord Wellesley. Lord Wellesley uh, introduced subordinate alliance in India, but with Rajasthan negotiated Charles Metcalfe. Okay, Charles Metcalfe negotiated with Rajasthan for the subordinate alliance. Answer is C. If question may, who was the person that introduced subordinate alliance in India? That is a Lord Wellesley. First time except subordinate aligned Satara, that is in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a princely Satara is a princely state who accept the first time subordinate alliance introduced by Lord Wellesley. Okay. Now in this question answer is Charles Metcalfe. Charles Metcalfe is a person who negotiate with two subordinate alliance in 1879 with the princely state of Rajputana. Okay, question may be in your exam, which year Rajputana accept the negotiated the subordinate alliance? Which year? Okay, answer will be 1817 and 1818. Now we have discussed in three more questions. First, who introduced subordinate alliance in India? Lord Wellesley. The time period, the date, yeah, the year of subordinate alliance with Rajputana negotiated, that is 1817. And who negotiate with the Rajputan? That Charles Metcalfe. Okay. Next question is 7. Question is 7. Uh, Hmm. The princely state which was not part of Rajasthan Union formed on 25th March 1948. The name of princely state who was not uh, part of Rajputa Union formed, that was 25 March and 49 to 48. Okay, who 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 princely state was not part of the Rajasthan Union formed. Okay, that princely state is Udaipur. Rajasthan formed in 5 stages in the present time. Rajasthan formed 5 stages. Okay, and stage 25 March 1948. That time Udaipur was not part of Rajputa Rajasthan Union. Udaipur. Okay, answer is Udaipur. Next, who was the editor of the Tyag Bhumi? Tyag Bhumi editor Hari Bhavu Upadhyay, Jay Narayan Vyas, and Devi Datta Tripathi, Rishi Datta Mehta, who was the editor of Tyag Bhumi. Tyag Bhumi editor is Hari Bhav Upadhyay. Okay, answer is Hari Bhav Upadhyay. Next question, that is related to matching one side temple and second side district. Kamleshwar Mahadev Mandir, Alwar, Sheetaleshwar Mandir, Jodhpur, and Pipla Mata Mandir, Jhalawad, and Neelkant Mandir in Pali. You have to match the all temple and district. Okay, Sheetala Mata Temple. You know very well Sheetala Mata Temple. First Kamleshwar Mahadev is in Pali. Okay, Kamleshwar Mahadev is in Pali. Okay, and Sheetaleshwar Temple is in Jhalawar. Okay, Jhalawar. Now D and C, that answer will be B. Okay, Kamleshwar Temple relate to Pali and Sheetaleshwar Temple relate to Jhalawar, and uh, 3, Pipla Mata Mandir is Jodhpur. Okay, Neelkanth Mandir is Alwar. That is most important, Neelkanth Mandir and Sheetala Mata Mandir. Sheetala Mata Mandir is in Jhalawad district. Jhalawad district is a part of southern southeast region of Rajasthan. Jhalawad and Banswara and Bhilwara. They are three most scheduled tribe या tribal community people state district. Jhalwada and Bhilwara and Banswara. The region has get maximum rainfall. Question may be asked, Hanumangarh, Churu and Jodhpur and Banswara. Which state gets maximum rainfall? The answer will be Banswara. Banswara, Jhalawad and Bhilwara. They are three state most tribal community dominated. Okay, that is the southeastern part of connect with the boundary MP and Rajasthan, MP and Gujarat. Okay, now next question: which of the following temple of the Chittorgarh fort is a Jain temple? Which temple is a Kumbhalgarh Shyam temple and Kumbhalgarh Shyam temple and Satvesh Devari. Now answer is Satvesh Devari is a Jain temple. Okay. Next question: which of the following painters does not belong to the Alwar school of painting? Then the question given is a painter. Question is, which painter is not belong to a part of Alwar school? Mhm. That answer is 11.3. Nanak Ram. Nanak Ram not is part of Alwar painting. The Rajasthan most famous painting, Bani Thani temple painting. So Bani Thani painting is the most important and for your exam. Question may be, who start the Bani Thani painting? The Nihal Singh start the Bani Thani painting. And Panithani painting relate to Radha Krishna, God Radha Krishna. Okay, next question is which among the following is not correctly matched? There are work and author. Uh, which is not correct to match. Okay, Bol Varmali is not correct in this answer. Next question: singing tradition with which of Gauri Devi was associated? Which singing tradition was a part of singing Gabri Devi. Okay, the answer will be Mand. Mand. Gabri Devi was the related to Mand. Next question is woman Saint Dayabai was disciple of the Sant Charandas, Sant Nimbakacharya, Sant Raidas, and Sant Ramcharan. Okay, Sant Ramcharan. Okay, women sent Dayabai was disciple of the Sant Charandas. Now answer is Sant Charandas. Dayabai. Okay, A answer. The question number 15. The dance form relate to Garcia tribe is dance form relate to Garcia tribe. Gabri, Lur, Bam, Teratali. The question is which form of dance relate to Garcia tribe? Okay, the answer is 15. Lur. Lur dance form is related to Garcia tribe. Garcia question may be in your question UPSC and state exam. The Garcia tribe is related to Rajasthan. Okay. Uh, Next question 16. Consider the following statement about the Vijayan Dan Deta. Vijayan Dan Deta. Question following the statement. Vijayan Dan was the famous writer of Rajasthan whose story was adapted the Charan Chor play. Okay, 16. The uh, answer is D, yani 4. Both are sentence correct. Vijay Dam Deta was a co-founder of Rupayan Santan. Okay, the answer is the both are sentence is correct. Next is match the list 1 list 2 and select the correct answer using code given below. First list uh, there is first list and second list. First list mountain and second list is a continent, yeah, country. Okay, Elvers is a part of Russia. You know very well. First means first D. Answer may be in 2 and 3. Kilimanjaro. Kilimanjaro is a part of Tanzania. You know Kilimanjaro and B3. B3. Now that is clear. Answer will be C. A4 and B3. Answer will, now you can easily find the Mount Cook in New Zealand and um, Mount and Macaulay Range that is in USA. Okay. Answer is C. Among the mathematical index, the measuring biodiversity was one of the sources that means species diversity in habitat is local escape. Question ask the indicator. That is alpha indicates. Alpha indicates is related to biodiversity mathematical indicators. Alpha index. Okay. Question number 19. Question number 19, which is not the correct match. They are given the reason and the country. Question is which is not correct match. Okay. 19, answer is V. Southern New England, United Kingdom. That is very easy question. How can you assume that Southern England may be in United Kingdom? No, because United Kingdom is in North Hemisphere. How can that is a southern New England? Southern New England may be in a southern hemisphere near with Australia and South America. Okay, that will be in a southern hemisphere. 0 to 90 degrees southern hemisphere. Okay, answer will be V. Next question is a match list 1, list 2. In match in list 1 is given the canal, and that is a oceanic region. Okay, 20 answer is A. First, uh, you know very well Suez Canal, Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea, Suez Canal. Then answer will be in A and C. Okay. Su, uh, mhm. Su Canal. Su Canal is related to Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean. That is a C. Now we can easily find that answer will be A. Okay. There is canal. Canal means artificial water reading area, yeah, water connecting area, yeah, drainage system in the water body. That is a canal. Next question is 21. Which of the following mountain peak is not situated in Eastern Ghat? Question is which is not peak is situated in Eastern Ghat. Galikonda, Salhar, Singram Gatta, and Madhubulla Konda. Which peak is not part of the Eastern Ghat? Okay, Eastern Ghat. Eastern Ghat means in India that is a Western Ghat and that is a Eastern Ghat. Okay, hmm. Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat. Answer will be Salhar. Salhar is not part of the Eastern Ghat. Now can easily consider that the uh, three other peak is a part of Eastern Ghat. Next question number 22, which is not correct match. There is a agriculture practice, and and there is a region, a state, Pondu. They are all shifting agriculture. Shifting agriculture means agriculture uh, only 3 or 4 times and left the place and go the other region and practice there. That is a shifting agriculture. That is in India very famous Zoom shifting agriculture. Zoom is a related to Assam. Okay, now question is which is not correct match. 22, Masa is not a Himachal Pradesh. That is answer, that is not correct match. Okay, now can other easily consider that Pondu is related to Odisha. That may be in your next exam question. Ponam in Kerala and Jum in Assam. Okay. Next 23. Match list with the list 2. First list is a protected area, and second list is a year, given the year. 23. Uh, Answer is A. 1 A means community reserve in India is 46. Okay, conservation reserve in India, uh, conservation reserve in India 76. Conservation reserve in India 76. National National Park in India, National Park in India 103. Wildlife Sanctuary in India 544. That is a wildlife in India. Okay, it is very important question. Now can easily you can find that the maximum conservation on natural land is under the wildlife sanctuary. Wildlife sanctuary in India 544. That means 544. That is a wildlife wildlife sanctuaries. Okay. Next question number 24. The Bharat Electronic Limited is a collaboration with ISRO to develop. Okay, agro technology, GAAS solar cell and nuclear technology, and CADAC, uh, which is function that the well collaborate with the ISRO. Question answer is solar cell. Okay. Next is question number 25. Match list 1, list 2 and select the correct answer using code given below. First is the given first list given district and the second list given the mountain. You have to match mountain and district. Okay. Now answer is A. A means Jalore, uh, Jharola, and B. Uh, Barwada, and C. Alwar, Bhangad, and Shikar, Raghunathgarh. Okay, that is mountain and there and Jalore district. That is maybe important for your next exam, coming exam. Which of the given hills in extension of Vindhyachal range in Rajasthan? The question asks the part of Vindhyachal mountain range in Rajasthan. The name asked. Okay, uh, 26. 26 answer is Mukandara Hills. Mukandara Hills is the part of Rajasthan that is the western extension of Vindhyachal range. You can easily find that uh, that is a Vindhyachal range, that is a Satpura range, that is a Western Ghat. Okay. Question asked western extension of Vindhyachal in Rajasthan known as, that is Mukundra Hills. Question number 27. The list 1 and list 2. There is given first list irrigation project and second list district irrigation project. Any beneficiary district of irrigation project. First is project. That is also important question for your coming exam. Question may be uh, irrigation project related and district. 27 answer is 1. Okay, 1 means Siddhmukh is in Hanumangarh. B. Narmada project in Jalore and Badmer. Okay. Javai project is in Jalore and Pali and Jodhpur. Jakham project Udaipur and Pratapgarh. That is project very important for your coming exam. Next question. The dust storm originated in Rajasthan in May and June month are caused due to. The question asks the storm originate in Rajasthan May and June. What is the reason? Reason is origin of convection current at the few places. Origin of convection current in few places. And B. Aravalli hills are parallel uh, to southwestern wind. Okay, and origin of fast speedily easterly wind. Uh, Answer is only A. Origin of conventional current and the few places. In Rajasthan, there is few places origin conventional current. The reason of conventional current origin high temperature. You know, conventional current vertical movement of wind. Vertical movement of wind in particular area is known as a convection wind. But vertical movement wind always happen due to the temperature increase. You know, Rajasthan region, a desert region, or the high temperature region in India. Okay, the answer is only A. A storm originating in Rajasthan, the cause is convectional current at the few places. Next is 29 question. Which statement are correct from the following? That is a Marvel development and conservation rule. That is a rule related to Rajasthan government. Answer is 4. All of these. There is all rules is correct. Okay. You can easily note down these rules for your coming exam. Maybe question single exam कि Rajasthan minor mineral conservation rule amended up to 2016. Maybe a single question. Rajasthan is almost a sole producer of which of the following mineral? In question ask which products, which mineral uh, is Rajasthan only produced in India? Lead and zinc, copper or bolastics and selenite. Which mineral is only produced in India? Sorry, in Rajasthan. In other word, Rajasthan has a only right to this mineral production. The answer is 4. A, C, and D. A, A, C, and D means lead and zinc, wollastonite, and the selenite. There are three minerals in India that produce only in Rajasthan. Okay. Hmm. There are 30 questions and other question will be next part. Okay, we are going to discuss all 150 questions. That may be three videos because some question maybe will be the part of mental ability and math. We are not going to solve this question. We are discussing here only the general study question and state level question. Okay, now maybe 20 question related to mathematics and reasoning. That question we are not going to discuss. We are going to discuss only general study question and current affairs and particular state related question. Okay, you can find a PDF website that is www.vivalikaisacademy.co.in. In this website you can find other study material like MCQ and other classes and PDF notes you can find here uh, easily and note down, and a PDF also may be download. Okay,